What I have here is the Fesley guitar. I just received this for my review. They sent it to me, and it's actually a really nice guitar. I'm going to tell you everything that comes with it, but first, we all want to know what it sounds like. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest here. I did change the strings because I do like playing with these Martin strings. So as soon as I put these strings on, these are the Phosphor strings. Sounds incredible. And even with open chords like now, I was not expecting this kind of sound, this kind of booming sound from a guitar like this one. Now, it is made of mahogany on both the neck and the body. The body is a cutaway body, so basically cutaway means that it has that kind of cutaway here to make it more accessible as far as fret goes. And the frets, there are 20. And what I really love, and I felt it as soon as I put those strings on, is that the action is extremely low. The action is very easy. Now, there's no buzz. As you can hear, zero buzz, and it's very easy. Again, beginners, intermediate. I've been playing for a little bit, a few years, and it is extremely easy to just get the right amount of pressure on that neck and on those strings, and the frets just do the rest. As far as the tuning pegs, I thought they were really precise. They don't play. And these are brand new strings. They were installed 15 minutes ago, and I've been, just messing around with them, and they are literally on tune. Speaking of tuner, there is even a tuner and a pickup on this guitar, which is nice. So you do put in a 9-volt battery. They include the 9-volt battery, by the way. So you put that right here, and then you can plug this guitar because it does have a microphone pickup in there. So if you're interested in, plugging this into an amp, into a stereo system, you can. But as you can tell, and I don't know if it really translates on camera here, but if you don't need to plug it into an amp, this thing sounds super boomy. Really cool. They even give you those picks, so you've got 3 picks. I would say there's no numbers on them. It just says pick. Fesley to lead. What is it? To lead a new cool. Okay, cool. That's our little slogan. I would say they're pretty ideal for acoustic guitars for those types of strings. Not too hard, not too flimsy, of course. Probably around I would say maybe a 75 or an 80 millimeter, something like that, but very nice. They do even give you these 2 things. I never use them. These are pickguards, so you basically would install them on your guitar just like that, and it would prevent your pick from damaging the body of your guitar. So, I mean, for me personally, I don't get that much damage when I play, and I often just finger pick anyway. Super cool. So yeah, let's go on because the package is actually mighty. It comes in a little pouch like this. They do include the cable to get you started. So if you want to hook up to an amp, you can do that with this cable. They even give you this really cool, easy to tune. So basically this is kind of like that crank tuner. So you just, when you're changing those strings, so that's ideal for that. They give you extra strings. So of course the guitar comes with its 6 strings, and you'll get extra strings as well right here. So that's a nice thing. Gives you a capo. I mean, I have a lot of capos out here, but the capo is basically for you to change the position of your neck to kind of like change that tonality, that octave, right? So that's that. They even give you those 2 little, and I didn't even know at first. I'm like, why would they give you this? But this is really cool because the saddle right here on the bridge, you can actually file down. Now, I did not do that. I just kept it the way it was. and I think the action is perfect. You would use that if you wanted to kind of like make it a little bit closer to the body, to the neck of the guitar, but there's really no need for that, right? They give you a little chamois, which is nice, so you make sure that that guitar stays shiny and always ready. And they also give you a strap. But the best thing about this, and I say the best thing, I mean, it's one of the cool things, is they even give you a really nice case. Usually you get these introductory kind of like full set guitars with like really flimsy cases. Well, this is, yes, it's not super padded, but it is a proper case. So you've got the zipper, you've got that nice pouch in the front. What I love is that you could carry it like a backpack or like a suitcase, just like a guitar case this way. Very, very nice. It is a nice waterproof design as well, but I love the way it looks, and I love that it protects the guitar for sure. But yeah, the main hero of this thing is the guitar itself. It sounds like $1,000,000. It really feels great in terms of body. It is 41 inches in length, so it is a full-bodied dreadnought guitar. But yeah, there's not much more that I can tell you, except if you want to start playing the guitar, or if you are looking for just like kind of a travel guitar or a secondary guitar and don't want to break the bank, but want to have some really good fun and good sound, I think this one is a fantastic option.